Hello, and it's time for another lovely spring recipe with my radish and asparagus tart. And we're starting off with a lovely buttery shortcrust pastry because nothing goes better with radishes than butter. So lots of flour, lots of butter in a bowl, rub them between your fingertips until you get breadcrumbs, then add a little bit of water and bring it all together to form a nice dough. Try not to work it too much, but you do want it to come together, so don't worry about it. And put it in the fridge to rest and firm up for about 30 minutes. Then you're ready to roll it out into a circle. So keep rotating the dough until you get a nice circular form. Trim it up if needs be, and I like to use a dough scraper just to really neaten up those edges, get it looking as smart as possible, and then create a little bit of a crust kind of as you would on a shortbread with a fork all around the edges. Put that in the fridge to chill a bit and then bake it in the oven at 180 for 15 minutes until it's lovely and golden brown. Then onto our toppings, I'm going to whip together some ricotta with lots of grated Parmesan cheese and nice freshly ground black pepper, kind of like a cacio or pepe base. And once that's stirred together nicely, we can move on to our vegetables. So using some nice spring veg here, lovely colorful stuff. I've got radishes. I'm gonna mix it up a bit, quarter some of them, halve some of them, and thinly slice the rest just to get varying shapes, sizes, and textures. And do the same with the asparagus. I've got some nice British purple asparagus, but you can use any old type you find. Just get rid of the woody bits at the ends, and then I'm going to create some ribbons with some using a vegetable peeler, and then the rest I'm going to chop into little rounds, keep the tips intact, and halve some of those. Then it's just a layering job. Slather the ricotta onto the base, then top it with rocket, which I've dressed with a bit of extra virgin olive oil and some salt, and then some lemon juice, and top it with the rest of the veg. Just arrange it so it's nice distribution of colors. Finish it off with a grating of Parmesan, drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, and you're ready to tuck in. This makes a great starter or main. Hope you enjoy, and as always, bon appétit!